Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to grow large plants in Plants vs. Brainrot. Now, here's the thing. Getting a giant plant isn't something you can fully control. The growth size is random, but there are ways to improve your chances. The most effective method is to raise your luck before planting. You can do this by using luck potions, activating boosts from the shop, or waiting for your in-game luck meter to hit its highest point. When your luck is high, plant your seeds right away. That small timing detail can make a big difference. You can also take advantage of special events or admin boosts. During those moments, the odds of growing rare or large plants go up dramatically. If you see an event like that happening, it's the best time to plant as many seeds as you can. Overall, growing giant plants is a mix of patience, luck, and timing. Keep your luck boosted, pay attention to special events, and plant strategically. Over time, you'll start seeing more of those powerful, oversized plants in your garden. That's it. Thanks for watching.